No load shedding this Muharram? Hi, this is Iman Tasneem. Let's have a look at 9 p.m. headlines. Bilawal warns Azad Jammu and Kashmir protesters. PPP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has urged protesters in Azad Kashmir to end their sit-in and resolve issues through dialogue. He claimed that most of the agreement between the government and protester has already been implemented. Bilawal warned that individuals involved in unlawful activities must surrender or face legal action. LHC takes up Chakwal case. The Lahore High Court has issued notices to senior police officials over the Chakwal shooting incident that killed a 9-year-old Pakistani-Australian girl. The petition alleges that force enforcement personnel opened indiscriminate fire and deliberately targeted the family. The court has been asked to order a judicial inquiry and establish an independent commission. Azad Jammu and Kashmir election schedule revised. The Azad Jammu and Kashmir Election Commission has announced a revised schedule for the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections. Candidates can submit nomination papers until June 23, while polling will take place on July 27. The updated timetable includes scrutiny, appeals, withdrawals, and symbol allocation dates. Restaurant bills may rise. The Punjab government has proposed increasing sales tax on restaurant payments made through cards, mobile wallets, and QR codes from 5% to 8%. If approved, customers using digital payment methods will pay higher bills for dine-in and takeaway orders. Meanwhile, the existing 16% tax on cash payments will remain unchanged. No load shedding on Ashura. The Power Division has directed all electricity companies to ensure uninterrupted power during Muharram, especially on Ashura. Special coordination has been ordered with local administration, security agencies, and religious organizers. Maintenance work at key religious sites must be completed before the 7th of Muharram. For more such updates, stay connected to Pakistan Connect.